Constantly filling your Ford Escape coolant reservoir without seeing puddles means your engine is consuming the fluid. This hidden coolant loss points directly to internal failure in EcoBoost engines. Ignoring this issue guarantees a blown head gasket, warped cylinder heads, or a cracked engine block. To locate the leak, you must perform a cooling system pressure test. This mimics engine operating pressure to force coolant out of weak points. Rent a standard radiator pressure kit from any local auto parts store. Ensure your engine is completely cold before starting to avoid severe burns. Open the hood and find the plastic coolant reservoir. Remove the cap and find the kit adapter that threads perfectly onto the tank. Hand tighten this adapter so the rubber seal sits flush against the rim. Connect the hose from the hand pump onto the top fitting of your adapter. Slowly pump air into the closed cooling system using the hand unit. Watch the pressure gauge and stop immediately when the needle hits 15 psi. Never exceed the pressure limit stamped on your original coolant cap. Set the pump down and watch the needle for exactly 15 minutes. If the system is perfectly sealed, that needle will not move a single millimeter. A needle dropping slowly toward zero indicates an active leak. Inspect exterior hoses, the water pump, and radiator seams using a bright flashlight. If the outside remains bone dry while pressure drops, the leak is internal. An internal leak means coolant is pushing directly into your engine cylinders. Verify this by starting the engine and looking for thick white smoke exiting the tailpipe. You can also pull the spark plugs to check for wet white residue. Catching this early provides exact diagnostic proof before engine teardown.